Question 6. So, geometric series question. These are the formulas which are given. It's very nice to get one like this when there's so few words to worry about. So, we're told that a equals 5 and r equals 4/5. We're being asked to work out the 20th term of the series, so we're using this formulae which works out a specific term. So our 20th term is a, which is 5, multiplied by r, which is 4/5 or 0.8, to the power of n minus 1, so to the power of 19. So 4/5 to the power of 19 multiplied by 5 gives us 0.072. Now for part B, sum to infinity, there's a very straightforward formula. It's just a over 1 minus r, with a being 5, r being 0.8 or 4/5. So substituting, that gives us 25. Now part C needs a bit more thought. We're told that the sum to k terms of this series is greater than this. We've got to show what k is. So we're summing a specific number of terms. So we're using this formula here. Okay, so our sum to k terms is a, which is 5, open bracket, 1 minus r, which is 4/5 to the power of k, all over 1 minus 4/5, so all over a fifth. 5 divided by a fifth is 25, so that's all I've done here. I've then divided through by 25 to give me this. Now be careful here. I've now, just follow this carefully, I've now added 4/5 to the power of k to both sides, so that's brought this over here, and I've taken away 0.998 from both sides, giving me this. So our left hand side is 1 minus 0.998, and this has gone over to the other side, so it's become a positive 4/5 to the power of k. So actually at this stage we've got 4/5 to the power of k is less than 0.002. Now what we need to do now, we need to log both sides, so that's fine. So we've got log 0.002 equals log 4/5 to the k. Following the power rule, that's k log 0.8. So at this point we've still got the sign looking like this. Now we want to get k on its own, so we're going to choose to divide through by log 0.8. Now this is the key bit. Log 0.8 is negative. When you divide through by a negative number, you have to change the inequality sign. So that is why this has now come this way around. Note the change from here to here. That is purely because log 0.8 is negative. So what I suggest you do when you get one of these questions, just quickly work out what this log is beforehand. If it's a positive, then you're not going to change the sign when you divide through. If it's a negative, you do. So it is a negative, that's why I've changed the sign. So k is greater than log 0.002 divided by log 0.8 as required. Now k is a specific number of terms. K has to be a whole number because it's how many terms? Is it 19 terms? Is it 20 terms? And so on. So k's got to be greater than 27.85, so k equals the 28th term, okay, or the sum of 28 terms, okay. So you sum 28 terms and you will get to a total which is greater than 24.95.